maximum, find maximum number of cases, maximum number of cases among the states. Right, maximum number of cases among the states. So then again you can do the similar thing, only small changes we have to do. So first let me declare a variable called maximum cases, max cases, and then I'm looping through. So now I got the state totals, right? So here what I have to do, instead of this, I can say if this particular total, right? If this particular total, if this is greater than the, I'm comparing now, greater than or equal to maximum cases, right? So then if then this becomes maximum case, right? To start with, then max case is nothing but, observe the indentation, then this becomes the maximum case. So now I would say maximum case among the states. See, I got easily